and welcome to Watson's Weekly. I'm going to attempt to summarise in 3 minutes what I think are the most important and interesting economic and commercial events of the week just gone. Do you think I can do it in under 3 minutes? Well, there's only one way of finding out, so here goes. There was a lot of TikTok chat this week as Microsoft came out at the beginning of the week saying that it was in advanced talks with TikTok's Chinese owner ByteDance to buy its US, Canadian, Australian and New Zealand business. But then there was speculation towards the end of the week that this could be extended to all of TikTok's businesses. Back in China, ByteDance's CEO was criticised for bending to Trump's threats. Trump effectively gave any deal until the middle of September to get sorted, otherwise he'd just go ahead and ban TikTok from the US. And in the meantime, rival services such as Triller, Byte and Facebook's Reels are trying to attract as many TikTok creators as they can during the uncertainty. Trump also broadened the clampdown on other Chinese tech companies, saying that he would be banning Americans from transacting with Chinese-owned apps, including Tencent's WeChat and ByteDance's TikTok. Unfortunately, this move may end up harming Apple, as it would have to take lucrative apps like this off their App Store. This week was tricky as the UK High Street took another dropping with staff cuts at Dixon's Carphone and WH Smith. William Hill is closing 119 stores, River Island is considering a CVA and Pizza Express is also having major problems. On the other hand, it seems that consumers are at least expressing an interest in buying big ticket items, as Purple Bricks said it saw property listings shoot up following Rishi Sunak's recent raising of the stamp duty threshold, and the latest figures show that car sales in July were actually up 11% versus July last year. I'll say that you shouldn't get too excited by this because in property it's actually sales that count rather than listings, and that car sales are traditionally weak in July and August because buyers like to wait for the new September registration plate. We'll just have to see whether all this becomes a trend. In Corona trends this week, it seems that we have been indulging in crafts at home as Hobbycraft saw a 200% boost in online sales since the start of the pandemic. We've also been watching telly as the Disney Plus service was about the only business that did well in Disney's latest results, and Nintendo has been benefiting from our gaming habit under lockdown, with game downloads being the major driver behind the company's 541% increase in profits. Away from home, reticence in going on holidays abroad has led to Hays Travel, which bought Thomas Cook shops last year, announcing 900 job cuts. On the other hand, EasyJet said it will increase the number of flights to cater for those who can still travel and not worry too much about quarantining when they return to the UK. I hope you found this roundup useful. If you're interested in getting more information like this as it happens on a daily basis, please head over to watsonsdaily.com for more. After all, there's only so much I can tell you in 3 minutes. You can now also get Watson's Daily as an app in the App Store and on Google Play. If you want to hear a more detailed version of my weekly summary when it comes out, please check out my podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts and Google Podcasts, among other places. Thanks for watching. Watson out.